Okigwe is the third largest city in Imo State, Nigeria. Following Owerri, Orlu, it is located within the Okigwe Local Government Area and holds a strategic position along the Port Harcourt-Enugu rail line, which has contributed to its growth as a significant transit point. One of its key economic drivers is the proximity to Nigeria's largest cattle market, situated in the Umu Nneochi area of neighboring Abia State. This has led to Okigwe becoming a central hub for cattle trading in the southeast and south regions of the country, with a population of approximately 132,237 according to the 2005 census. Okigwe's demographic is diverse, with a significant number of residents being migrant workers from other parts of Nigeria. Historically, Okigwe also played an important role in the educational sector as the original host site of the old Imo State University, which was later relocated and is now Abia State University. Culturally and historically, Okigwe is noted for its religious and agricultural contributions. The city is home to St. Mary's Cathedral, the seat of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Okigwe, and it remains an important religious center for the region. The area is also recognized for its terraced farming, which is practiced on the hilly farmlands surrounding the city, making it one of the agricultural breadbaskets of Nigeria. In 2016, the Imo State government recommissioned a new cattle market in Okigwe to boost its economy and respect the historical significance of the previous market, which had been relocated to Abia State. With its rich history, vibrant economy, and strategic location, Okigwe continues to play a vital role in the economic and cultural landscape of southeastern Nigeria. Okigwe, located in Imo State, Nigeria, is a city rich in history, culture, and tradition. Originally a cluster of small farming villages, Okigwe has evolved into a bustling urban center known for its strategic location and deep cultural heritage. Okigwe's origins can be traced back to the pre-colonial era when it was part of the powerful Aro Confederacy, a significant trading network in southeastern Nigeria. The Aro people controlled trade routes, allowing Okigwe to thrive economically. The strategic location made Okigwe a hub for commerce and cultural exchange, contributing to its early growth. During British colonial rule, Okigwe became important for cash crop production, particularly palm oil and rubber. The British also introduced Western education and Christianity to the area, significantly impacting its cultural and societal structure. By the mid-20th century, Okigwe became a center of nationalist activity, playing a role in Nigeria's struggle for independence. Okigwe is home to the Igbo people, known for their vibrant traditions, strong community ties, and entrepreneurial spirit. The people of Okigwe, like many other Igbo communities, are deeply rooted in agricultural practices, with crops such as yam, cassava, and maize forming the backbone of their economy. Their traditions and festivals are closely tied to the agricultural calendar, with celebrations marking the harvest season and honoring ancestral spirits. One of the most important cultural institutions in Okigwe is the Ozo title, a prestigious traditional title reserved for community leaders and people of great influence. The Ozo title's holder are seen as custodians of Igbo customs and values, playing key roles in community decision-making and conflict resolution. Festivals such as the New Yam Festival, celebrated annually, are important in Okigwe's cultural calendar. This festival, which honors the yam crop, involves colorful displays of traditional dances, masquerades, and the sharing of freshly harvested yams among families and friends. It reflects the communal spirit and deep connection the people have with the land. Religion also plays a significant role in Okigwe's cultural identity. While Christianity, particularly Catholicism, has become dominant, traditional beliefs in ancestors and local deities persist. The Catholic Diocese of Okigwe plays a crucial role in preserving the region's history and promoting cultural activities, blending Christian and indigenous values to strengthen community ties. The church also organizes festivals and cultural exhibitions to celebrate Okigwe's rich heritage. Okigwe is known for its scenic landscapes, with the Okigwe Hills providing a picturesque backdrop to the city. These hills are not only a natural wonder, but also a symbol of the city's deep deep connection with the land and agriculture. The area's topography makes it ideal for farming, which continues to be a major economic activity in Okigwe. In terms of tourism, Okigwe is gaining recognition for its historical and cultural sites, such as ancient shrines, traditional palaces, and the vibrant local markets. Efforts are being made to promote tourism through the documentation of local history and culture, such as the work being done by History and Culture of the Peoples of Okigwe Diocese. Despite its rich cultural heritage, Okigwe faces modern challenges such as inadequate infrastructure, unemployment, and environmental degradation. However, efforts by the government and local communities aim to address these issues. Development projects focused on improving road networks, healthcare, and education are underway to enhance the quality of life for Okigwe's residents. Okigwe is strategically located along major transportation routes, making it a hub for commerce and transportation in southeastern Nigeria. The city's position along the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway connects it to the other major cities, facilitating trade and economic growth. Local businesses, small-scale industries, and agriculture remain vital components of the city's economy. Okigwe is a city with a rich cultural and historical background, deeply rooted in Igbo traditions. For viewers of Ebonyi People TV, Okigwe offers a fascinating glimpse into the past and a vibrant community that continues to evolve. Whether it's the traditional festivals, the agricultural wealth, or the stories of its notable figures, Okigwe remains an important cultural and economic center in southeastern Nigeria.